Hi y'all. So I have another wig unboxing from Kylin Hair Collections again. So I had gotten two wigs. I had gotten this one. This one's called the Shorty in a Linda Light Root. I had never had a bob wig before. I've worn her 2 days in a row, which is kind of abnormal for me. I usually wear different wigs pretty much every day. So I really like her. I've gotten so many compliments. 130% density. She's very natural looking. So we're going to look at something completely different from the same company because I like to look at versatility. So super cute box. I've already looked at her. The inside's adorable. It's got like satin lined. The wig, it comes with some other little pieces, thank you cards, some instructions, QR codes. So far, both wigs have come with one of these little brushes. The brush has like boar bristles on it. So very handy, like purse brush. I'm gonna give one to my daughter to put in her backpack. And it's got their logo on the back of it. So I think that's a really sweet touch. The wig comes in the netting and with the little poof in it. This one is a dark rooted blonde. So I actually had found a photo of a wig with this color and I was like, oh, I really want this. So I've been looking. And this is almost exactly identical. So I have a blonde, she's a more buttery blonde. So I wanted something that was a bit icier, but with a darker root because my bio hair is dark and I like to pull forward my pieces. I love my butter blonde. She's very pretty, but I had to keep the ear tab part on so I could glue it or, do like the got to be glue hold or the bold. I use this all the way down and I could kind of hide my little sideburn pieces. So with this, I don't anticipate I'm gonna have to do that, which is probably gonna make me want to wear her more. And I'm very excited about that. So looking at the cap construction, we have our parting area here. So pretty nice, good size parting area. And it does have like the lace line to kind of help hide your bio hair. So you can see there's the lace in the front. There's that lining. You have two combs on the side, one comb in the back. And this area has like silicone on it. And it did come with the adjuster strap. I always take that off though because I use a wig grip and I just don't like that. But it comes off super easy. It's got these little hooks. So here's the wig. Her hair is very soft. I got 130% density in this one as well. And it's Remy Brazilian human hair. So I'm very excited to see what she looks like. This is 22 inches. So I get hair from a lot of different companies. I know I like a very specific length when I'm doing my long hair. And I know, say if I'm buying from somewhere like Hair Vivi, 16 inches, they're measuring from down here, but Kylin is measuring from here. So I ordered 22 inches so that I could achieve the same length and have it pretty uniform. I will know a little bit better once I put her on if 20 inches would be fine, but I just think that she's wonderful. So there's your hairline. You have the pre-bleached knots, the fully bleached knots and the pre-plucked hairline. So all in all, so far, this one was first, this one's second, and the quality is universal so far across the board. I am absolutely adoring this company. The girls, it's Kylie and Linda, Kylin. They are the owners and they are super communicative. When you have a question, you're talking to one of them. You're not talking to somebody who works for the company or a customer service agent. You're talking to one of those ladies. And I just love that. And they're very sweet. So far my experience has just been 10 out of 10. I'm going to come right back. I can just probably throw her on. Hang on. I'll be quick about it. I still have my wig grip on. I'm gonna put this one on the cork head. That should be fine. Okay, and then there's the little hooks here too. I don't think I mentioned that. Okay. Oh yeah, she is so pretty. I really like having this, oh, someone's here. I really like having the darker root because again, it's gonna look so much more natural with my bio hair blending in. So I'm gonna change the part to a right-sided part and then cut the lace, and then I'll come back on and show what she looks like. Yeah, she's very pretty. I really like this. Okay, so I've changed my part. I've cut the lace, a little bit of a rough cut, but just getting a good idea of what she looks like. And I think 22 inches is probably about right for me. It might be just a little long, but I worry that 20 would then be too short. So the density is wonderful, very good ear tucking, and I was right about being able to mix my bio hair into this. So I haven't cut this back quite short enough, but in general, yes, I can then ear tuck everything because my bio hair isn't hugely different. It's all, you know, it's rooted, so I can mix it in there. So I really like this blonde. I think she's beautiful. This is Lacy from Kylin Hair Collections, 22 inches, 130% density, and Remy human hair, Brazilian. No weird smell. That's a question that gets asked often. No, it smells just like it's been in a box, or it smells not weird or chemically. But she's very, very pretty. I really like this one. I think this is what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Great company, I highly, highly recommend.